Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you passive voice. So what is passive voice and why do we use passive voice? So here we have the answer that why do we use passive voice when object is more important than subject. When object is more important than subject. For example, if you take the simple structure, so we have simple structure subject, verb and object. In our normal you can say tenses, our subject is most important, but in passive voice our object is more important than subject. Getting me? And so why? Definitely. So why? Object is more important than subject. Here we have the reasons. When we don't know who or what does something. For example, my car was stolen. For example, this was a car or my car. For example, so you're saying that my car was stolen, so that's why you don't know who stole the car. Definitely. So you say that when we don't know who or what does something, so we use passive voice. When we are not interested who or what, the factory was painted, so we are not interested here who painted this factory. Getting me? So when we are not interested who or what. When subject is known, my eyes were tested, so that we know a subject, we know that doctor. Definitely. So when subject is known, when we don't want to show the subject, for example, the mistake was made, so we don't want to show the subject who made this mistake. Getting me? So why do we use passive voice? We use passive voice when object is more important than subject, and these are reasons. When we don't know who or what does something, when we are not interested who or what, when subject is known, when we don't want to show the subject. So these are reasons, and this is why we use passive voice. So this was lecture on passive voice. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. I love you, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.